you record long audio messages or interviews and hate typing them out, this app will save you a lot of time. But before learning that, I request all of you to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. This app is called RecCloud, RecCloud, and it converts any audio recording into clean text. It has features like accurate transcriptions, speaker detection, auto punctuations, works with many audio formats, export to Word, PDF, or text. It's great for creators, journalists, students, basically anyone who dealing with audio content. Even if your recording is a little noisy, the AI is clean it pretty well. If you want fast and accurate transcriptions, this app helps a lot. Subscribe for more tools like this and don't forget to share it with your friends and journalists, also with students. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.